little import time. 1973 Porsche 914. Of course, target top, 2-seat roadster. This particular one is powered by the 1.7 liter 4-cylinder. Would be a midship engine, they would have called it, or a rear mid-engine car. Paint on it does show its age a little bit. I mean, you can see it's got a nice luster to it. It presents itself well, but you are going to find there was a little touch up on the headlight up here, if you can see that. We got just a little bit, and it's tough for me to get it to show up with the camera because it's not terrible, but I kind of want to point it out. There is a little bit of bubbling, and I don't know if you can see that, just ever so slight. There you go. There you can kind of see it with the reflection of the lights. But overall, I mean, you stand back 3, 4, 5 feet. I mean, it is a nice looking car. There's no doubt about that. I just want to let you know, the paint's not perfect. It just didn't come out of a paint booth. Don't be afraid to get in and drive this one. Take it to your local shows, cruise-ins. It'll turn some heads. Smooth running car too. Speaking of smooth running, engine, approximately 2,000 miles on it since it's been rebuilt. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see that engine bay, you can check underneath, I guess if you will, the hood or the trunk area. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on that. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. So signal orange exterior. You would have a cloth and vinyl combination interior in black. Manual transmission, you can see there. This is a 5-speed transmission in this car. Aftermarket radio has been put in. That does work. Sony brand. Also had the wipers working. Removed the target top so you can see in the car a little bit better. See how it looks without it. Engine, of course, under this portion of the car right here, there's a release that flips this door this way. You can get at the engine there. Is a flat 4. Again, that 1.7 liter. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with the transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Something else I want to show you. Got a few things that come with it. Front end cover. So there's the Porsche front end cover. Protect that some. There's that target top that came out of the roof. And then a few miscellaneous parts, some trim pieces. There is a car cover that goes with it, license plate bracket, a little bit extras with it. So that will be included in the trunk of the car. If you have any questions on that, again, feel free to ask your sales associate when you call in or email. We also have a service department with 4 techs. They go down a safety inspection on the car, kind of a checklist. This one, I know some of the things I've seen, 50% or better on the brakes. I know it's had some recent brake work to it. And of course, like I mentioned, less than approximately 2,000 miles, give or take, on the engine rebuild. Smooth running too. We're going to start it up here in a second for you. Of course, riding the steel wheels, wheel covers. Again, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video. It's going to take you right there. Really the easiest way to do it. All right, let's go ahead. I want to fire this up so you can hear it run. Now, the one thing I did notice, the gas gauge works great, and you can see how easily it starts. I mean, it's just boom, this thing fires up. Tack works. Odometer shows about 99,000, it looks like. And again, dash is in nice shape. Everything pretty much stock in here with the exception of Sony aftermarket stereo has been added. And again, the stereo does work, so do the wipers. Slip around to the back, just what you'd expect this thing to sound like. And it sounds good. Alright, I'll tell you what, I'm going to pause this a second. I want to pop that center hatch and let's take a look at the engine bay a little bit, what we can see. Alright, just so you know, right there, that knob will release this mid-hatch. And there you go. There's that flat 4 engine bay. What you can see there. So the battery is located also midship. But smooth running. Hear how smooth that runs. Look in there. Pretty cool. Of course, that's a 1.7 liter flat 4 5-speed manual transmission. 1973 Porsche 914 2-seat roadster. Signal orange. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.